Hello guys, there we have a XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I will tell you how you can send and receive fax messages on this device. So in the first step we have to download some fax app from the Play Store. I choose that one, but of course you can choose the other one. So now we have to open it. And how you can see, we are now in the send fax sections, and to choose the file just click on this little plus, and how you can see, now you can choose the source of your file. You can choose the image from the gallery, PDF from the download files, or maybe take a photo. I will take a photo now. How you can see, now you can add use a shape of your document. And if you are ready, click here. Now you can choose the filter for it and add a signature by clicking here, or add text. If you are ready, click here. And how you can see, there is our file. To add more, click here again and choose again. But if you want to send only this one, just type the number, and optional you can add a text. And that's it. To send it, just click here. Okay, but if you want to receive a fax messages, just click here. And now we are in the receive fax menu. Now type the fax number, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.